Okay, so I put all the legs on. Okay, they're all on there. All my parts are on. And now we're going to do the seat. So insert seat on here. Make sure, first thing, I want to be sure that this is, again, in the right orientation. So I'm going to click it and grab it and move it 45 degrees. Okay, so now these faces here are parallel with our legs. Okay, and then kind of move it over, but also then move it down, so that again, Onshape knows that this is kind of the orientation that I want it to be. So I'm going to take there we go. I'm going to do a fasten again. I'm going to fasten the middle of this face. To the very middle of that face. Okay. Now you will notice this one fits perfectly. Because of our fuzzy math, we have a slight little overlap there. Not a big deal. Slight little, that one looks just a bit off. And this one looks just a bit off over there with a tiny, tiny gap. Those of you in engineering projects, when we made this, you'll know that that gap will mean absolutely nothing because we put two nails in there and our stool gets fastened together. But for us, here in not design tech, but technical drawing, that is how you put the seat on, and that is how you finish off the stool.